Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're having a showdown. That's right, Klenty AI versus Seamless AI. The sales tech thunderdome. 2 tools enter, 1 tool leaves with your credit card. Let's face it, sales tech stocks are getting more confusing. I mean stocks, not stocks actually. Sales tech stocks. They are getting more confusing than your X mixed signals. You've got Klenty AI on one side, which is the overcaffeinated email robot, and we have Seamless AI on the other side, which is the LinkedIn stalker, which is the data fetish. Now, which one deserves a spot in your sales arsenal? Grab your coffee and maybe a stress ball as we break it down with more drama than a reality TV showdown. This is the ultimate sales smackdown. The first category we're going to examine is the special power category. Now, Klenty AI, also known as the Spam King, helps write emails while you sleep, while Seamless AI, also known as the Data Detective, finds emails you didn't even know existed. So who wins? It's a tie. It's like trying to choose between coffee and Wi-Fi. You can do without both. And also it depends on which you're addicted to. Next, what is it best for? That's the next category we'll examine. What's it best for? Klenty AI is best for outbound email, while Seamless AI is for hunting down elusive decision makers. So who's the winner? Klenty for volume, while Seamless is a winner for precision. Let's look at automation. When you look at it from automation point of view, the Klenty AI helps send follow-ups like a clingy X, while Seamless AI makes you do the actual talking. So who wins? Klenty by a knockout. Moving on to data accuracy. Alright. Seamless Klenty actually is 5% sure that it's a real person, while Seamless will tell you we found their gotten email too. So in other words, who wins? Seamless by nose dive. Now let's look at creep factor. Klenty is 7 out of 10 friendly neighborhood spammer, while your Seamless is about 11 out of 10 because it knows its target shoe size. It knows too much. So which of them wins? I'll say Seamless because it's actually terrifying how much it knows. Moving on to pricing. When it comes to pricing, for Klenty you pay per success or per block, while for Seamless it costs more than your car payments. So who wins? Klenty or bootstrappers. Moving on to the last category, which is learning curve category. Well, for Klenty, set it and forget it. It's that easy. While for Seamless, it requires FBI level training. So who wins? Klenty for lazy people. Now let's go to the brutal truth of who should use it. Now choose Klenty AI if you believe quantity is greater than quality. Spray and pay, baby. Spray and pray. Now, if you can also use Klenty AI if the thought of writing that follow-up email makes you twitch. Also, if you're okay with your prospect thinking, wow, this is definitely a bot, then use Klenty AI. But choose Seamless AI if you enjoy cyber stalking, for professional reasons, of course, and if accuracy matters more than your dignity. Also, choose Seamless if you budgeted for tools that cost more than your rent. So what am I saying? Klenty AI is that friend who texts you up at 2 a.m. Sorry, Klenty AI is that friend who texts you up at 2 a.m. to 100 people asking you a question at 2 a.m. We have friends like that. But Seamless AI is the private investigator you hire to find those people. So what should you do? You can use both. I mean, it's like giving a machine gun to a chimpanzee. Amazing power and questionable outcomes if you want to use both. But are you still confused? Okay, here's the real talk. Do you want to automate emails? Then use Klenty AI. Do you need to find emails? Then use Seamless AI. Do you want to keep your job? Maybe use both responsibly-ish. Now go forth and sell.